Hello Diecast friends, today a review about this beautiful Space Shuttle Discovery from the band Hobby Master. Now you see a couple of other planes and that's because I like to do a size comparison. These are all 1/200 scale except for those two jet fighters in the back. But I had a question on my Instagram. Do you have Instagram? Yes, I have Instagram. I put a link in the description. And I'm going to take this one. It's a very cool looking plane. Not that much detail, but it is a toy. It's from the brand Gorgi. And I'm going to show you the package. The brand Gorgi Fighting Machines Operation Desert Storm. But unfortunately, no scale on the package or whatsoever. Nothing. But I have another F-14 Tomcat over here. And this one is a 1/200 scale. And this one is a little bit bigger. So now you see it is a little bit bigger than 1/200, but I'm not exactly sure what scale it is. Okay, but this one is for later. I'm going to do a review about all the Gorgi fighting machines. Look at them, how awesome! Information, making the sharp turn, and they're gone. Okay. Back to the space shuttle. First, I'm going to show you the box. Let's see. A bit backwards, yes. So, it is from the brand Hobby Master, a 1/200 scale. We got a beautiful picture of the space shuttle. Here it says it's the Discovery. Diecast display model. Nice. Here we got a picture of the space shuttle on the side. And it says Hobby Master Limited. That is what we like. Here a beautiful picture of the moon. And you see that it has an opening part, which is totally awesome. I'm going to show you that. Okay, and it is always nice because Hobby Master always shows some specs. Check this out. If you want to read it, freeze the image. Okay, let's put this over here. Now we can do a little bit of size comparison. So now you see how big this space shuttle is. Because let's be honest, an F-14 Tomcat is not a small plane. Super cool. Okay, let's take the B-52 bomber, because that plane is mega. Be careful, dude. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. It is also heavy. This plane is super heavy. Full diecast, and it's very difficult to get them both on camera. But you see how big this space shuttle is. Or actually, I have to say how fat it is. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let's do it like this. Because of course it's not as wide as the B-52 bomber, but check this out. The space shuttle is fatty. Whoa. And here we got the B2. Also a pretty big plane. Now, let's take a closer look to the Space Shuttle. So it comes with a display stand, but I choose to put on the landing gear. Got a nice black bottom. The landing gear is plastic, so you have to be careful with put the wheels in and out. I can show you that. So you have to put it in like this, and that goes pretty easy. Voila. Here we have the front of the plane. Nice black windows. And I think, shoot me if I'm wrong, that Hobby Master has the best diecast model from the Space Shuttle. There's also a 1/72 scale of this model, but that's a little bit too big. Dude also has a girlfriend, you know. The NASA logo, United States. Let's take a look at the back. Booster rocket. This is plastic, but this is all metal. This is metal, 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 metal. Now let's open up the cargo. It comes with, I'm not sure how you call it, but I'll show you here. This is to display it in flying mode. So it comes with this thing over here. Focus. Yes. And here you can open. It's a little bit difficult. There it is. And then it's open. And then you have, maybe it's better to show it like this. See what's inside. And we have the robotic arm. Put it in here. Voila. But it is not possible to bend the robotic arm and close this. So when you wanted to close it, you have to take the robotic arm off. So this is the only, you have to be very careful. This is maximum, the max that you can bend it. And this is plastic, so you have to be very careful with it. Not much detail. Okay, let's put it back on. So yes, I'm pretty happy that I'm having this model because it's very special. Let's see it from the other side. Maybe you want to take a closer. Oh. Okay, let's take this off, and then we can take closer look at the wheels again. Are the wheels turning? Nope, they're not. And here you see the hole for the display stand, and it's a black display stand. Oh, well, let's see, then I can show you how to put it back like this. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the review. Again, Space Shuttle Discovery from the brand Hobby Master, 1/200 scale. See you next time, guys. Bye.